Hadian bagi HNLC kalakam bagaladun keti ha kapan-pen yo bom hayo molong. Barkal ai por shibnai ka Sorkar jela ban-pen kan riano ikibasa athem metor. Nakaliang Bah Prestone tun song loong baka Sorkar ka yang scam ma kanong rem bagamla ban pdiang ya kinu ki kambean. Bala batha ka tanat pulet ban-pen tikina bagi jingjai ki baja shen kem day show ban janang ni sakman. Ulong ba kinu kebedan keti ki kampen trim na kambean kin sya kem ba kin sya pen stom dag beteng kat kum ki kendon an. Bah Prestone mula penpauru bom dan AA ban keren ne ban ong halor kejing berngam ke HNLC namar mental palat lain na saus nem ke Sorkar jela kalele kat bala ban pen kendria no ya borok ke basa athem metor balele kat bala ban pen bet no ya kan ne de ke betrelang mat ke harijan panchayat committee bat menta ke ne mat kadang don hakiyeng syari meglaya high court ula penpau kejing kermen bah kejing yalang bat ke harijan panchayat committee anshim no ekarai ke bakhat do ban pen kendria no ikibasa athem metor Habakali hato ka Sorkar kadang kami lenti ni ke HNLC banwan sa kamit manikaran nisok. Usumbot Menteri Rangba Kejela uloong baka Sorkar kadang kermen bad ula kentu ke HNLC ban perkatsis pa ASEAN banwan biang sa kajingnya keran nisok bad ke Sorkar. Kabalong kabalapan krek manikaran kat kumki kendon ay.
Still, I'm continuing to appeal. Resume to talk. Think it 100 times. Because right now, from the government side, we are fully prepared. Anything which is beyond the legal boundary of any activities, if it is beyond the legal boundary, the law will take its own course. And that instruction is very clear. Whoever is responsible, be it the HNLC members or be it anybody, we will not at all allow such illegalities to happen in the state of Meghalaya. Are very, very firm. Any illegal activities will not allow to happen at any cost. And right now, instruction has been given to the police force to make sure that such incidents that has happened should not be repeated. And any culprit, any person who involved in these activities, right now I think you saw it, that they have been already arrested and now the investigation is on. I will not be able to detail everything, but let me tell you and assure the citizens of the state, we are safe and the police will not sleep till we make sure those responsible be nabbed and be punished as per the law. That statement made by the HNLC, I have nothing to comment, I have nothing to say. You knew it well. I think not less than 3 to 4 years now. This issue is still under the serious consideration of the government, and not only in that, we are pushing hard to reach to the final conclusion as far as this issue is concerned. And you knew it also well that we had so many meetings, a series of meetings with the Harijan committee from there. And the last one, in fact, right now, let me not explain much because as of now, the issue is still lying with the Honorable High Court. It is yet to be decided by the Honorable High Court. They are waiting for the last meeting that we need to meet. In fact, we have already requested the members of the HPC to indicate the time, the date for meeting, because we would like to meet, because we are not only meeting, in fact, from the Honorable High Court, they have already indicated that resolve this issue as early as possible, and if not, then the court will take its own course of action. So I'm expecting maybe very soon we'll be able again to meet, sit down with the HPC, and once that is done, we'll be able to reach out to the resolution.